So one of the primary teachings of the Buddha is around the law of kamma or karma, and it's often misunderstood, at least from the way the Buddha teaches it, because it's a term that's used from other religious traditions and also has been incorporated into the West in many more common colloquial ways of using it. But essentially it just refers to cause and effect, and the fact that essentially what we do, what we intentionally do, has an effect. The actions with intention will have some sort of ongoing effect, not only for ourselves and in our own mind, but also in the world around us. So it's important for us to see how it is that we make our choices of what we do, how we do it, and with our intention behind it. So it's a Samanera ordination day. Anagarika Jordan's going to be taking the precepts for going forth this afternoon. And that has an effect, not only for himself, but in the community here, and hopefully on a greater scale. It's a very strong statement and a strong action that a person can take in deciding to take one further step anyway, in this case of leaving the traditional lifestyle and moving into more of a renunciate lifestyle dedicated towards realizing truth. And what's really, I think, important also to recognize in these very nascent stages of Buddhism appearing in the West, particularly the monastic form, is the fact that family members are starting to clue into it a little bit too. We've got two sets of family members here, Anagarika Jordan's mother and sister, Diane and Elena, and Anagarika Matt's parents, Don and Terry. And it's still quite a minority of family members, of people here who are showing support and interest, especially to the point of coming and staying on the property and practicing with us. But it's a growing number, and I think that that's just a further sign of the gradual coming into being of the monastic tradition, the Buddhist monastic tradition in the West. So slowly we see signs of roots being put down and family members participating, supporting, joining in with us is a very, very heartening, welcoming sign. So again, it's a sign that what we do, the intentions we make, have effect not only in our own lives, but in the lives of the people around us. So there's this mutual sense of a growth of community that is gradually reaching out, involving a broader strata of people. And there's a lot of unrest these days in the world around us, and a lot of tension and anxiety around social issues, political issues, the state of the world, where's it all going? It's easy to lose perspective, but we have these little enclaves of, in my own biased opinion, of sanity that we can tap into. I don't think we should underestimate the impact that small pockets of people who are really committed to virtue, morality, simplicity, and development of the mind, development of the heart, we can't underestimate the impact that has, even though we're a tiny little corner of what's going on around us. That if we keep true to that inclination, that aspiration, and that commitment to keep it going, no matter what's going on in the world around us or how people are reacting or seeing things, then I think it can't help but bleed out into the world and slowly, establish a greater sense of clarity and peace in our lives and in the world around us. And this day is a marker for that. Another person taking another step in the realm of commitment to this life, to this path, and the presence of family members supporting that, encouraging that, all goes towards making a very auspicious occasion today.